Welcome back to the channel, collectors. So this is gonna be a model review along with our review. Something new that we're gonna try to mix up reviews, and this is the model of the Void Dragon which I've recently painted up. So there are many viewers that have asked me some questions, and I'd like to address them in this video segment right here. So in this video segment, some of them asked what base size this is. This is a 80mm base, as you guys can see right here. It's a 80mm base, and the length and height of this dude is approximately, I would say, about 20 cm tall, as seen on this ruler. Okay, 20 centimeters. And I would say that this miniature was really well designed. From what I hear, it's designed by Mr. Darren Lantham, and I think it looks really awesome. Initially, I thought that this miniature would be really flimsy and really wobbly. However, I'm going to shake it right here for you guys, and you can see there is no wobble at all. This is because this entire structure is supported in 3 to 4 ways. I would say, yeah, 4 ways. The tail prevents some warping. The foot here is attached to more lightning. More lightning is coming from the foot, and in some areas the lightning actually diverges, and it has 2 connection points, which makes this miniature a lot more hardy than you think. However, I would not recommend that you guys put this miniature in any of the foam cases, because many of these sharp fiddly bits will get caught in the foam and you will end up breaking them. There are a lot of lightning ends around, and these things are, in my opinion, very prone to breaking. So this miniature comes with an excess of 2 other bits. You have 2 optional heads. The other 2 heads have sort of like a hole in the middle, this void head, while they have this. Alright, so this comes with 3 extra bits right here. I want you to bring attention to this empty void head right here. Okay. And it comes with this star-shaped energy, this question mark enigma shaped energy. I would say that conversion wise, these things would be really useful, because this could easily be some kind of spell coming out from some sorcerer's hand, and this can easily be sort of like I would say an energy weapon coming out from another unit. Just need to just cut these areas here, and you have like an energy side. Okay, sort of like Raphael from TNMT's weapon. And this head, it would be interesting on, I would say, maybe if you would like a Necron Lord. So this brings me to the next point. So comparing some miniatures, I have the Scorpack Lord right here. This would really add a lot of interest onto the Lord miniatures, with sort of like bits jutting out the back. And because this is sort of ornate, I would say that this would be really interesting. Okay, so now moving on, we're going to do some size comparisons to some basic units that I have on my table, and just bringing up the miniature right here again. I'm just going to compare him to a primary Space Marine. So when compared to a primary Space Marine, this model, it's sort of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 primary Space Marines tall, and this is the rough estimate of how he would look on the tabletop with a primary Space Marine. Okay, so while comparing the primary Space Marine, we should not forget our firstborn Space Marines, and I have one right here from 2nd edition. The figure height on this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, about 2.5 Space Marines for the Void Dragon. Okay, so my opinion on this kit is it's really well designed. It was a joy to paint, and as you can see in this, there are many details that you would easily miss out, like this shard and how you want to paint them. Then there are many like digital forming up details right here, and I highly recommend to purchase this kit. Alright, some cons of the kit, of course, as I've mentioned just now. These things are very easily breakable, and you should be really careful when transporting this miniature. In my opinion, as a painter, I would really recommend all painters to get this, because it really gives you an opportunity to paint on human anatomy at this scale. This is about a 54 to 75 mm scale, which is quite interesting. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you in the next video.